By 2050, more than 2/3 of the world's population will live in cities, and this presents unique challenges for mobility and the environment. We already know that autonomous vehicles could make our transport safer, cleaner, and more efficient. But to harness this potential, we need to consider how those vehicles can work within our cities, and, most importantly, improve the lives of the people who live, work, and visit there. So what will it mean to access an autonomous mobility service? And how do we make the experience feel safe, intuitive, and practical? ServCity exists to answer questions just like these. With 5 partners from across the public and private sectors, ServCity will create a blueprint for how autonomous vehicles can become an everyday reality for everybody. Our project has 3 connected focus areas. We're applying cutting-edge technology to vehicles and city infrastructure to help tackle the unique complexities that busy cities offer. We're putting people first, with a methodology that has user experience at its very core. And we're developing solutions that are scalable to ensure this exciting future can be commercially viable for towns and cities of all shapes, sizes, and locations. Ultimately, our findings will help us realize a new world of possibility. ServCity, hailing the future of mobility.